to you by Merica Motorworks Off-Road and Performance, your one stop for all your off-road diesel and performance needs. Whether it's fast or slow, lifted or low, new or old, we've got you covered. Come see us at our shop in Montrose, Colorado, or visit our website and online store at www.mericamotorworks.com. New parts added daily. Check us out.
Hey ladies and gents, we're back again with that steering stabilizer that I told you I wanted to put on. So you get to watch me install this damn thing. So, damn, get some. Thing was screaming. All right, now what we're gonna do first to make it real easy is put the Jeep on the lift, turn all the way to the right. You're gonna go ahead and take the shitty stock steering stabilizer out of here and install the finest, only the finest steering stabilizer we have right here, made in China. That's okay. Hey, like I said, great value, grand, and look at that, I couldn't even take the time to make the sticker straight. How professional am I? Not very. So, go ahead, and this side has a sleeve in it, this side does not, so we're gonna put this little metal sleeve in here, and it's gonna fight me because that's what they do. So come over here. Get in there, come on. Like Jurassic Park, push little one, come on, push. All right, so sorry, thought the camera shut off. So I'd just be talking to myself like I always do. Anyway, let's simplify this real easy like. So take all the crap off, and basically what we're gonna do is we're going to bolt this end right here to the body of the truck. So get this guy, get my light. Ugh. Imagine that, there's actually some metal on this thing, unlike some of the crappy newer Jeeps. So put that in. Actually, I like all the newer Jeeps. There's just certain trucks you go to work on and the light doesn't stick to anything. You're like, oh, that's cool. So put the nut on. Yay. Okay. So what it's wanting us to do is basically right here we have about a 1/4 inch gap, and what that's going to do, we turned all the way right, but there's still a hair of give in the box. So what we want to do is basically get your tape measure, verify that there's about 1/4 inch, sweet, of give. And there is. Hey, look, sometimes I get it right. Even a blind squirrel gets a nut occasionally. So take this thing and this guy, let's look at the direction so I don't make an ass out of myself. I'm really good at that. If you got to know me, you'd figure that out pretty quick. Okay, so tight here, and then we're just gonna go ahead and finish snugging this stuff. I'm gonna try to hold on to it so it doesn't spin. And then what we'll have to do is basically do a sweep on the steering to make sure it's happy. We're only gonna tighten those two for right now. Let's do a sweep on the steering. See what she does. Make sure it doesn't hit anything. Let's see. Hell yeah, look at that. Hey, sometimes, every once in a while I get it right. You know, occasionally, you know, and that's awesome. But, so go ahead and snug this one up and this one to accompany it. Damn, spent so much time working on this thing. It's gonna be all anticlimactic when I drive it. Don't want to finish it. All right, cool. Yeah, I know I can't dance for shit, but I need to I'm old, and yeah, it's sometimes certain songs come on that make me remember when I was 20 and music was actually decent. Anyway, yeah, I sound like a boomer, but yeah, so this is on. Sweet. That definitely increased the steering effort. So that's done. So that's how you install a rough country steering stabilizer, or any other steering stabilizer on one of these for that matter. Just like everything else on this project, we sell these damn things. So if you need anything, get at us. Again, MericaMotorworks.com, or look us up on Facebook, Merica Motorworks, and give us a call and we can get you one. I think what we're gonna do next is finish the transfer case swap, but that's another project. So thanks for following on the very, very detailed and time-consuming steering stabilizer installation. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in any of the parts that you saw in the video, check out our website, www.mericamotorworks.com. Also check the link and the description of this video, because if I say install a cold air intake or an exhaust, I will put that link in there. Appreciate the support. If you want to see more of our stuff, make sure you click the subscribe button right here. Have a good one.